Hey, what's up guys? What's going on everybody? Chris Anthony here. Welcome to the channel. I got my Yeti XL out here for a quick run. It's been a while since I have this truck running. I think the last time I have this out was during winter season. So this will be my first run with this truck out here in this construction site out here. So this should be a good site to kind of just give it a little bit of rep and see how she holds up with all the upgrades that I have on this truck. So yeah, I'm running 6S and I have a 17 tooth pinion in there. And yeah, just let's have some fun. Here we go. Got the big girl out here. Let's see how she does, man. Woo! I found this open field. Finally got her out. Yeah, area like this is what it's for, man. Yeti XL is meant for this type of condition. Uh-oh. Alright guys, it looks like I have issue with my rear diff here. Looks like this bearing is pretty much crapped out on me. Yeah. Alright, that was a quick run, guys. Too bad for the rear diff. Kind of ended my run here pretty quickly. So I'll be back here again. It seems like this is a really nice area here to bash, so definitely coming back out here. Maybe I'll bring up my Rams up here. So alright guys, that was a quick bash with my Yeti XL. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.